Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to do a magic circle. Now you're going to put your tail between your thumb and your middle finger, and then you're going to bring your yarn over your index finger and make sure it comes on top of this piece of yarn. And then you're going to put it over your index finger one more time. In this working yarn, you are going to grab it between your thumb and your middle finger, and you see you've now created an X. And at the top of your finger, and now you can relax the fingers. At the top of your finger, you now have two loops. You're going to put the front loop back. In the back loop, you're going to pull it slightly up or slightly forward. You're going to put your hook inside. You're going to twist. And then you can let go of your working yarn, which is a yarn still attached to your skein. And you're going to yarn over and pull through. That is now your first chain. And then from here, if you need to chain a few more to do double crochets or single crochets, then you start off like so. Now for the slip knot, it's the same procedure. Thumb and middle finger, yarn over your index, bring it in front this yarn, over the index finger, creating that X, and then this working yarn goes right in the same spot between your thumb and your middle finger. Front loop back, except for this time you pull it as you take out your index finger. So then you just pull your tails, insert your hook, pull your tail, and that's it. It'll tighten it up, and then you can start making a chain. This is not the only way to make a magic circle. This is not the only way to make a slip knot. This is just a way. And this is the way that really made it click for me. And in my brain, I just have to remember those 2-3 steps on how to position the yarn. And then I get to choose if I make a slip knot or put my hook in and do a magic circle. So for me, this was helpful. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like this video and if it really did help, be a friend, leave a like, and comment down below if it was really helpful. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.